everyone, it's Blanca and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am super excited to be sharing these fall theme Dollar Tree DIY projects. I had such a fun time creating them, you guys, and they turned out pretty great for somebody that is not a DIYer. I do say so myself. Some of these projects were inspired by Pinterest, while one project in particular was inspired by another YouTuber on here whose name is Jane, and her YouTube channel goes by Chic on the Cheap. I love what she did with the vases from Dollar Tree, so I decided to pick up two and recreate them for myself. Like I said, these projects are super simple and easy to follow, and I will be leaving down in the description box below the materials and the free printables that you can use for these projects. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to be painting these two glass bottles that I got from Dollar Tree with some white chalk paint. I did get this idea from Chic on the Cheap, and I just thought that it's so easy to do that I could definitely recreate it myself.
It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever.
I gave each bottle 2 coats of paint, and because I am so impatient, you guys, I used my hair dryer to dry it and make sure that it was all set and ready to go before I gave it another coat. Once your glass bottles are dry, you can flip them over and take your jute twine in order to make a bow. I also utilized the same free pumpkin spice printable that Chic on the Cheap used for these bottles.
Here we are right underneath the stars, so let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever.
Once you've cut out the pumpkin spice sign, you can take your hot glue gun and glue it onto your glass bottle. I just glue it underneath so that it didn't cover the bow.
And I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah.
Here I'm just taking these plants that I got from Micahels and the sunflowers that I got from Dollar Tree and just arranging them in each glass bottle. Do be careful when you're cutting these. I did not have any wire cutters, and it was very difficult to cut them with regular scissors. I love the look of this greenery with this sunflower. It just screams fall to me, you guys.
I promise that.
Next up, we have this wooden pumpkin sign that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just painting it white with the white paint that I bought from Target. I gave this pumpkin about maybe 2 to 3 coats of paint just because I really wanted it to be bright white for the sign that we are going to be creating. Here I'm utilizing my hair dryer once again, just making sure that there isn't any wet spots on the sign before placing these galvanized words that I got from Dollar Tree. They had a packet of 3 in them, and it brought the words welcome, harvest, and thankful.
Someone that could be my great love.
I grabbed the word harvest and sprayed it with some glue, placed it onto the pumpkin, making sure that all the sides were flat, nothing was being lifted, and this is the outcome. I think it's a pretty cute sign, you guys. It looks like it took a lot of time to make, and it was actually pretty simple and easy to do.
Yeah, I wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like
I took my thankful sign and wrap some jute twine around the stem all the way towards the end. And once I got there, I hot glued it down and put some glue spray onto it as well. If you guys do not do this step, your jute twine will unravel.
Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by
Our third project are these picture frames I got from Dollar Tree. We are going to be painting them white and taking out the pictures that are inside and replacing them with some fall signs. Now, in hindsight, I could have taken out the glass. I don't know why I didn't do that, but I just placed some newspapers on top of the glass so that it wouldn't get any white paint.
everything feels like
In the first picture frame, I'm placing a sign that says, "I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers." And in the second sign, I'm placing one that says fall favorites, and it has all of your favorites that you can think of. I will be linking the pre-printables down below in the description box if you guys would like to get the same ones.
even in my wildest dreams. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think.
For our fourth project, just grab any old box that you have laying around and just paint it white. Here I got some more free printables and I will be using some Mod Podge in order to place it onto the box.
Feels like
I kept going back and forth between the rose gold pumpkin or the glittery pumpkin, but ultimately I glued down the glittery pumpkin because I thought it looked way better and it added more of a pizzazz to the box. For our final DIY project, just grab any old book that you have lying around. In my case, I bought these off of Dollar Tree and just start painting them white because we are going to be using some Ray Dunn inspired decals as well as some Hocus Pocus free printables that I found online. Once you've chosen the free printable or decal that you want to use on your book, cut it out, place it onto the book, and use some Mod Podge in order to stick it onto it. Stack the books together and wrap some jute twine all around the book, creating a bow at the end, and I feel like it added a nice rustic farmhouse touch to the whole DIY project. this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this affordable and easy farmhouse DIY project. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below on your favorite DIY project. As always, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye!